So, ready to crush your goals? Listen up, soldier. Let me ask you something. What's your goal? Do you even know what you want to get in life? Because there's a lot of people out in the world that haven't been awakened to life yet and just let life happen to them. They don't have any target or goals. Alright, so before getting into main point, there's two basic yet most crucial things you gotta do, and that is set goal and get specific about the goal. Now, the first thing you need to do in accomplishing your goal is to make plan. Because here's the thing, understand this with example. If I ask you what you want, you will say XYZ, right? And if I ask you further about how you're gonna get that, now you have nothing to answer. You may know what you want, but you do not have any idea on how to get that. And here the plan works. So make plan and remember, everything will not go according to your plan, so be flexible on your plan. By the way, you can show some love by hitting that subscribe and like button. Thank you.